History is not what you think it is. It's a collection of bizarre secrets, forgotten wars, and stories that sound completely made up. The shortest war in history lasted only 38 minutes. In 1896, Great Britain bombarded Zanzibar, and the conflict was over before an hour had passed. The Roman Empire had a secret police. Originally grain collectors, the frumentari became the emperor's personal spies, eliminating his enemies from the shadows. In 1932, the Australian military lost a war against birds. Armed with machine guns, they failed to control a population of emus who were simply too fast and resilient. In 1518, a dancing plague struck a city in France. Hundreds of people began dancing uncontrollably for weeks, with some dying from sheer exhaustion. And finally, ancient Egyptians mummified millions of animals, including their pet cats, so they could be together forever in the afterlife. What other secrets are still buried in the past?